Please listen. I can suggest you some tips. I can share with you some tips to improve English personally. At first, hi, nice to meet you.
Hi,
Where are you from?
I'm too.
Where are you from?
Russia.
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 Oh, can you speak English fluent? As you are Russian?
Very bad. Very bad.
Very bad. But I can suggest you in present situation you have to practice English more and more, because English is spoken all over the world. You are watching in hand this globe. This globe is used for tracking
Yeah.
someone locations. Actually, I am private teacher. Are you a student?
Yeah. Yeah.
School, college or university? School, college or university?
Moscow.
Moscow. Do you live in Moscow? Moscow, capital
Yeah.
city. Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay. What time is it now in Moscow? Right time?
3 p.m.
2 p.m. At noon. 2 p.m.
3. Yeah. Yeah.
But here in our country, Bangladesh, 6 p.m. in the afternoon. Just in the afternoon. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Actually, please listen. I can suggest you some tips. I can share with you some tips to improve English personally. At first, every single day you have to practice English with different topics with your friends, cousins, and others. And secondly, you have to watch different kinds of movies, any kinds of English movies you have to watch. And thirdly, you have to practice basic English grammar with an expert teacher, or from an
Yeah.
expert teacher you have to practice English grammar, basic or advanced English grammar. If you don't know how to talk in English, you cannot understand someone. You cannot
Yeah.
understand nothing. Because I know so far that most of the Russian cannot speak English well. But why? They cannot speak English? Do you know?
No, I don't know.
Actually, English is called international language, and our mother tongue first language and our second language English. That is why to communicate with each other with different topics, we should talk to in English. Actually, every single day, this app I have been using 2 years ago. I have been using this app, and every day when I get a free time, every day I practice English with all over the world people who can English speak well or little bit, or there is no problem. A little bit, there is no problem.